Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium-length hair curly. First, let's prepare your hair. For optimal curl retention, begin with second or third day hair, as its natural oils provide better grip. If you must wash, consider skipping conditioner to add texture. Apply a lightweight mousse or volumizing spray to damp hair, working it from roots to ends. Crucially, always use a heat protectant to safeguard your strands from potential damage before any styling. Now, let's explore heat styling. Begin by sectioning your dry hair into 1-inch pieces for consistent results. A curling iron with a 1 to 1 1/4 inch barrel is ideal for medium-length hair. Wrap each section around the barrel, holding it for about 8 to 10 seconds to set the curl. Remember to alternate the direction of your curls, curling some away from your face and some towards it, for a more natural and voluminous finish. If you prefer to avoid heat, many effective methods exist. For overnight waves, wrap damp hair around a robe belt or silk ribbon. Flexi rods or traditional hair rollers, applied to 70 to 80% dry hair, can create beautiful, defined curls. Braiding damp hair into loose braids before bed will result in soft, beaky waves. Alternatively, scrunching wet hair with a curl-defining gel or mousse can enhance your natural texture for effortless curls. To ensure your beautiful curls last, proper setting and maintenance are key. After curling, gently pin up each section until it cools completely. This helps the curl set its shape. Finish your style with a flexible hold hairspray, misting from about 10 inches away to lock in the look without stiffness. Resist the urge to touch your curls excessively, as this can cause them to fall. On subsequent days, use dry shampoo to refresh and revive your curls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.